Hello, this is Vet Zanon from MS Veterinary Center, and in this video we are going to see how to start a small chicken enterprise, as you're seeing this one in the video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share the video to friends. So when you want to start a small chicken enterprise, first of all you need to have a house facility where you rear these birds from, then a small capital to purchase feeds, drinkers, feeders and some other small things like the husks. When purchasing birds, ensure you purchase these birds from a trusted source to avoid introduction of diseases in your farm. You know, prevention is better than cure. Then good management practices proceed from there. For example, good sanitation and hygiene, having biosecurity measures. Of course, there is the vaccination of these birds, proper feeding with a balanced nutrition, ad-lib water supply, monitoring these birds, and then having an isolation room whereby the birds which are showing poor health should be isolated such a room and given adequate attention and care so as you can revive them to the normal healthy conditions. Remember, we are here to help farmers help themselves, so you can ask your question in the comment section. We shall be able to answer you. Then now these birds have matured. What can you do when they have matured? You can do the following. For example, debeaking for the case of layers, then market research, which applies not only to layers but also broilers and even the dual purpose birds. Thanks for loving our services.